I'm Dr. Elizabeth Beaugier from Mountain View Veterinary Hospital in Rockaway, New Jersey, and today we're going to show you how to apply eye medication to your pet. And today we have Tater and Lauren, just so you don't get them mixed up. And there are two common types of eye medication that are dispensed, and one is an ointment and one is a drop. And what we're going to do with Tater today is apply both of them. What you want to do is, usually you need a little bit of assistance. Not many people can do this on their own unless you have a really, really good dog, which Tater is not. So what we're going to do today is, first we're going to apply the drop. Now what you want to do is you want to take off the top, obviously, and the most important thing is you do not want to touch the tip to the surface of the eye. That's very important with both the drop as well as with the ointment. Extremely important. So you want to tip the pet's head back if at all possible. Open up the eye and just apply one. There you go. And then, you know, obviously, if indicated, you want to apply it to the opposite eye as well, because Tater's being so good about this. Fantastic. Usually pets are more amenable to the dropper rather than the ointment, but there usually are specific reasons why your veterinarian might apply or might recommend using a drop over an ointment. Ointments last a little bit longer than the drops. There's a whole variety of reasons, but in this circumstance, sorry buddy, I'm going to be applying the ointment. Now you don't need very much ointment in order to be effective. Most people apply way too much. And in this case, which probably won't be any different, I'm going to be applying ointment to his eye. Remember, do not touch the tip to the surface of the eye. And if you apply too much, it's okay. It's just a waste of product and your pocketbook. But at this point, we're just going to show you how to apply it. Again, tip his nose up a little bit. The other person should be holding his nose and his head still. If you notice, Lauren is giving him a treat, and that's kind of keeping him occupied, so he's eating that. So we're going to go ahead and open up his eye just a little bit and apply about 1/4 of an inch to the eyeball itself, and then rub it, rub the eye down just a little bit. You know what some people do, and we've heard this over and over, is some people will actually put it on their finger and then apply it to the eye. Not so good, because your finger has a tremendous number of bacteria on it, and that bacteria, now you're putting it on the eyeball. Not so good. Especially because most of the times when you're applying an eye ointment, it's because you have a bacterial infection in the eye. That's really about it. Tater was actually a pretty good dog. If you have any problems or any questions, of course, you can always reach us at rockawayvet.com. Thank you very much. This is one of the unfortunate consequences of when you're unable to apply the eye ointment effectively, or if you use the inappropriate eye ointment. For instance, using an eye ointment in the pet's eye that was dispensed for another pet. This is Igor. He lives with us, and he has a pretty bad eye condition. His left eye is non-visual. He really can't see very well out of that eye, and his right eye isn't very visual. He gets about 75% vision out of the right eye, but that doesn't stop him from being a little bit challenging. So just so you know, it is very important that you use the eye medications that are dispensed by your veterinarian appropriately. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to call. Thank you very much.